or in this class, we will explain about jet level machining, floor and wall finishing machining, and finally cavity machining. In this workpiece, it is the combination of all three machining process. Carefully watching, we will explain each and every step for industry standard only. We have created many models so that I am directly going to import model. This is my model or workpiece. In this case, I will machining these surfaces by using jet level, and these surfaces we will use by floor and wall finishing, and this internal surface machined by cavity machining. Go to applications, go to manufacturing options, go to geometric view, MCS mill. We go to specify that MCS machine coordinate system, that self clearance distance 10 mm. The tool should come above the 10 mm from the workpiece. Second, go to the workpiece. We go to specify this part. This is my part, and we go to specify blank. This is my material. You can select any one material. There are so many materials available in this library. I can go for 1116 carbon steel. It has 100 to 150 free machining properties. For reference, you can go for, or you can enter MS or mild steel. Okay. Now we have selected MCS and workpiece. Now we will go for operations. In this operations, go to mill contour. Under mill contour, there are so many options are available. We will take jet level profile. Program, we will go for program. Tool, we have to select it. And geometry, we will go for workpiece. And method, we will go for finishing. Means for the explanation purpose only, I am taking finishing method. Normally we should go for roughing or semi-finishing, then only we will go for finishing. We can save the model, then we will go for edit. You can also check it, each and everything is same. Then go to OK, go to verification. Each and every time it gets removed the material of 1 mm depth, so 20 times it will go. This is jet level machining process. We can increase the speed. Now the first machining process has been completed. Save it. We can take second operations for mill planar. Take it, floor and mill. Program is same, workpiece is same. We will take finish. We will select the tool. Okay. In this specific cut area, here in this material we will remove the material here. Cut area floor, this is my floor. This material I will remove. Then specify wall geometry. You have to select each and every surface, or you can go for automatic walls. Then you can also display. It is indicated that walls. You can select the wall individually, or you can go for automatic walls. Next one is go to tool, create new tool. Here you can say N mill 10 mm, or you can insert N mill 10 means it indicates 10 mm. Then you have to put 10. The length of the cutter is 75 and flute length is 50. Descriptions you can also here you can put n mil dia 10 mm. The material is HSS, or you can change that cutter by using here. If you want to change it carbide, you can make it carbide HSS coated, and I am taking HSS and indicating this is second operation, tool number 2. Here cut region containment is floors. It will measure from the floor. Then we will go for follow part. The constant depth again given. It is floor blank thickness is 5 mm. From here to here, this is 5 mm. Remaining cutting parameters, cutting moves, both are same. In this case, we will go for cutting speeds and feeds. 30 meters per minute. We have to calculate with this 0.13, 955 revolution per minute. RPM per minute of the tool is 955 because we are taking N mil dia 10. We have to optimize feed rate. We will check it. We will save it. We will go and generate the programs. You can save the programs. Then go to toolbar, go to verify. This is using follow part methods. This remaining material of 5 mm. We think that is it the correct operations? It is not a correct operations. We have to stop it. We can go and edit it. We can use by follow periphery. We can check it. That thickness is 5 mm. We have to go and put 1 mm. We cannot take 5 mm directly of N mil HSS dia 10 mm. The cutter will be broken. See, now we have changed the settings. In this way, you have to change. Now we will take we can save the model. Then we will go for edit. We can also check it. Each and everything is same. Then go to working. Go to verification. Each and every time it gets removed the material of 1 mm depth. So 20 times it will go. This is jet level machining process. We can increase the speed. Now the first machining process has been completed. Save it. We can take second operations for mill planar. Take it, flow and mill. Program is same. This is same. We will take finish. We will select the tool. See? In this specific cut area. Here this material we will remove the material here. Cut area floor. This is my floor. This material I will remove. Then specify wall geometry. You have to select each and every surface, or you can go for automatic walls. Then you can also display. It is indicated that walls. You can select the wall individually, or you can go for automatic walls. Next one is go to tool, create new tool. Here you can say N mil 10 mm, or you can insert N mil 10 means it indicates 10 mm. Then you have to put 10. The length of the cutter is 75 and flute length is 50. Descriptions you can also here you can put N mil dia 10 mm. The material is HSS, or you can change that cutter by using here. If you are bit, you can make it carbide HSS coated. I am taking HSS and indicating this is second operation, tool number 2. Here cut region containment is floors. It will measure from the floor. Then we will go for follow part. The constant depth given. Now final step is editing the programs as per your need. So in this, see, cavity mill. I have completed all 3 cavity operations, but I have taken N mill of about 8 mm. So you are having some doubts, sir, why we are using 8 mm? This is bigger cavity, so we can take it dia 12, dia 14, dia 16, so that it can reduce our time. Yes, it is also possible. For particular this packet, you can take more diameter cutter, and this you can go for 8 mm cutters. It is also possible. Now I will edit it. You can delete or you can change it. Now I am deleting it. Go to create operations, cavity milling, workpiece, everything is same. Here I will select after that cut area, only this cut area I have taken, or I will select tool number 7. Means I have taken diameter 16. I go to close it. I have to generate the particular program. The depth of cut is 1 mm. The range is 5 mm. So I have taken only one center cavity with bigger dia. Then go to create operations, go to again cavity mill, specific cut area. This is my cut area. The cut depth is 1 mm. And you can go for either level first or depth first. Go to depth first. To again reduce the time, maybe 20-30 seconds may be reduced. The tool must be specified. In this case, you can take it. You can create new tools. Maybe you might be having 8 mm, 6 mm, 10 mm. Suppose I am having 8 mm N mill. I go to put 8 mm. Then I will finish the cavities. So for this cavity you are taking different diameter, means are told for this you can take it larger diameter. In this way also you can edit or you can reduce the timing. Now we will go and check all 4 operations. We'll verify. See, first jet level has been completed. Another one is floor and wall finishing method is doing. Next, it will take center cavity, and fourth operations it will do small cavities up to circular packets. So in this way you can reduce your machining time by using different cutting parameters or by using different tools. We go to unleash it. So this navy blue comes 00 means we are not having any extra material anywhere, any place. We have completed all machining surfaces as per standard. Means there is no material in this workpiece. The next operation is how to do post processing. In this case, you can select all machining operations. You can go to post processor, mill 3-axis processor, take metric part, post define for metric. Okay. Here, all programs, all machining operation is completed and giving one file. So you have to put all 4 cutters in your machine by ATC automatic tool change order, one by one it will do. For in case suppose you want to do post processor or you want to do only machining on floor wall, just to do it, go to post processor. We can take mill 3-axis metric. Here it will give second number tool only. See, second number tool only. It is giving particular post processing for particular operations. For cavity mill, post processor, if you will do, it will give particularly that operations. Tool number 3, M06. So in this way you can take post processor or edit post processor as you like it. If you select any two, the post processor will come for 2 machining operations. If you are giving only one of third, it will give only third machining process. This for only you look at the small holes, you can make it. This also post processor. It will give number 4, tool number 4. Yeah. Now final step is how to simulate machine. Before simulating machine, we have to go for generic machine. We have to edit it and we have to retrieve the tool. Go to milling options. Take any one control as you like. Means which control you are giving in your subfloor. Fonuk or Redline or Cinemeric. Fonuk I have taken it. Then where you want to put is here I will put it. Okay. Then we will come by using simulate machines. We go to show material removal, how you are going to take material removal. For only first cut only I am taking slow, the next I will make it faster. Each and every time it will take 1 mm material. Now it is showing that now we will increase speed of simulation. This is the real-time simulations. Now it will take second machining operations by using floor and wall finishing operations. It removes the material insides. Take time consuming process so that I made it faster. Now third one is that circular packet of central hole or center packet. Now fourth one is that small packets. Then we will remove machines. We will see. Now final step is documentation for future purpose.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any doubt, kindly let me know in comment section. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any doubt, kindly let me know in comment section.